Sometimes we want to add bars to numbers so we can more clearly see the difference between numbers. How can we do it in Excel? It's very easy task because we just have to choose proper conditional formatting. So we have to select numbers range, then go to Home tab, conditional formatting, and just choose data bars. And I prefer the ones with gradient fill, so I will choose green data. And just like that, we have our data bars. And in automatic options, default options, the left side of the cell should be 0 or the smallest value, and the right side of the cell should be the largest value from all our cells. And we want to sometimes just show bars without numbers, and to do it we have to go once again Home tab, conditional formatting, and this time purple, data bars. And we have data bars, but we want to change something inside, so we have to manage rules. We have our data bar and want to edit it, and we can see here checkbox show bar only, so the numbers won't be visible anymore. And we can see we have too many colors here, but one more thing that sometimes is important, we can change the type of minimum and maximum values. So by default they are automatic, but we can choose, for example, the lowest value or the number, for example 0. But in our example automatic is okay, so just leave it like this. Remember about this checkbox, and now we can press OK, and once again OK, and we have our data bars only without numbers. And because each cell here has the same value as in B cell, we can, for example, change value in B cell, and also the bar in C cell, C column will be changed.